So, you have your Raspberry Pi and a DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. You wanted to retrieve and see the real-time sensor readings and display it on your mobile phones. Is that possible? Well, using Python, Flask, and flask-socketio will do the job. All we need to do is to create a web server on our Raspberry Pi and create a web application and use WebSocket to retrieve the real-time readings. Just like my custom DHT22 weatherstation project that shows a dashboard of my DHT22 sensor readings in both text and graphical chart format. The historical chart displays the last 12 readings, while the gauge displays the value in a range format. It automatically updates every 3 seconds to retrieve the latest DHT22 readings. If you try holding the sensor, then the graph will shut up. This is quite a cool project. The full video is in the description.